Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, copyright infringers, art bell haters, or haters. And this is an episode of Burgh Unboxing. I got my batteries, and I have to ask Walmart, do they want their $12 back? Instead of going here, they went to my P.O. box for some reason. But first, I said I wouldn't do any unboxing videos, wouldn't post them. They're already sitting here, but I'm going to post this one because the momentous occasion on Friday, and I'll ask you to bear with me, the kids downstairs are screaming, and even with the door closed, I can hear them. On Friday, I reached 1,400 subscribers, and I want to thank my new subscribers. Rand Mac Products, or Land Mac Products, I can't read my own writing, I'm sorry about that. KENNETH, BRASKIT, BBC, IMARI, SIDDIQUE. The name is very long. It reminds me of the name of Julian Bashir's character. Not the character, the actor. He changed his name to something else, SIDDIQUE, on Deep Space Nine. Beautiful Soul, and Lorian Fenton, who runs the UFO convention that will be held in South San Francisco in February, where George Norrie will be appearing and where I will be. So, I wish a kid put that screen. All right. So, 1,400 subscribers now, and I thank you all for subscribing. Click on the like button, please, to offset the haters from the evil sewer gab, and click on the bell button to be notified of new videos. And I'm going to post this one because this is a special one, and I'll open the batteries up. This comes from City of Industry, and Walmart gave me back $12 because I thought these were stolen because they never got here, even though they said they were delivered here. I don't know what happened. So let's see what's in here. Oh, these are different. I thought they'd be in a packaging like Rayovac or Duracell. These are little, tiny. Can I get them open? Oh, no. I'll put one down. I can't do this one-handed. These are little, tiny. Can't do this two-handed. Oh, there we go. Have no nails either. I can't open them up even with my fingers. Hold on. Anyway, little cases. I've never seen batteries come like this before. And I may never see it again if I can't open them. I keep my extra batteries in cigar boxes until Fluffy overran the table. That's why I had to get these. I don't know where my batteries are. Alright, there we go. These are EBO batteries, and they are in this nice little plastic case. I guess that's part of your paying for. These were $12 for two, but now I have my flashlights and my remote for my Blu-ray player. Kathy needs batteries. She never got them, and she never got the form from the congressman. So I'll order some of these for her next month. And I don't know what's going on with her mail. So this one's tougher than the other one. Boy. I don't know what. Oh, they've got a sticker on there. That's why it's so hard to open. They've got this sticker holding it shut. But there they are, 8 batteries for $12. I normally get these at Walmart, Rayovac, but you get a 4-pack or you get a charger and they give you 4, but the problem is they're always out of them. And every Walmart I go, they're always out of AAA. So, all right, nothing else going on except tonight, Orangey. I went and fed the cats. The new gray one showed up. Blackie showed up. Orangey, when I was coming back from the post office, Well, Skunky, the little skunk showed up. I call it Skunky. And Orangey started chasing Skunky. And I go, no, Orangey, do not chase the skunk. That is a very bad idea. So Orangey stopped chasing the skunk. He saw the skunk running and he decided to chase it. And I go, all I need is my Orangey to get sprayed by a skunk. Because the skunk won't understand that, Orangey just sees motion and like all cats, I gotta chase it. So it was very funny, but could have been disastrous for Orangey. I don't know how I'd have to go get tomato juice. That's the only thing that will clear skunk out. And then how I would wash him with skunk all over him and try to keep him to hold still is, you'd have a very stinky cat. All right, I'm going to Kathy's on Monday because she has a housing inspection, and Tuesday Patty is coming up with her vacuum cleaner and her rug machine. So I'm going to help Kathy straighten out her apartment. And when I get the energy, I'm going to go in the corner by the microwave and start cleaning the kitchen again. When on the way back, I had to lean on a post because all of a sudden I got very, very tired. So staying up too late, doing breaking news stories and posting new videos from breaking news stories. And I'm not getting to bed till like 7:30, 8:30 in the morning after being up all day. So I'm going to stop doing that. I'm not 20 years old anymore. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thank you all for subscribing to the channel. Thank you, Lorian. You and I know each other. And have a great night. It's 13 minutes to 9 here, and 75, almost 80 degrees in my apartment with the door closed. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe, and I'll catch you next time, and I'll write Walmart the email as soon as I get done processing the video and say, do I have to give you the money back, or what do you want me to do with it? I got the batteries, so I feel bad, but they were very nice, and I had these, one pouch missing. They said, we can't send you a pouch, but they gave me a $10 gift card. That was very nice, too. Walmart is very nice, and the lady commended me for feeding the kitties, and I just got another comment. It's very good of you to, I'm paraphrasing it, not the exact comment, very good of you to take care of the kitties. So people like the fact that I feed the kitties, and it costs me, I don't know, $80 or $100 a month extra to feed the kitties, but I won't let them starve, and that's part of the reason I wind up broke at times. I've had to give Kathy money, I've had to pay her back money I borrowed from her. But eventually, I'm going to start next month. One last thing, I'm going to start next month putting $25 in the Bank America account, and leaving it there. $25 in the Capital One account, and after I get the coin loans out, I will start putting $25 a month in my Ally savings account. They pay 2% interest, by the way, the highest interest probably in the country for a savings account, and just leave it there. So I don't constantly have this thing, I'm broke, I have an emergency, and I don't like really asking people for money. Would like people to donate to help me get a GoPro and a new iPad, or repair the old one. But I don't have $324 for one iPad that I saw, and $600 for a new 10.2 inch iPad. But I wish I did. All right, that's it for now. Burgh unboxing is over, and this will be posted. So you get to see a Burgh unboxing. The rest will go in, and whenever the 2 weeks is up. No one's donated to the channel except the donation for cat food, which I appreciate beyond belief. And that's it. Have a good night. Bye-bye.